Hello, welcome to the Logic Club educational videos. My name is Günther Lechner. I'm an advanced application specialist for general imaging. The first step is to connect the network cable on the rear panel of your ultrasound system. If the cable is connected, you go into the utility menu and then you press the connectivity button on the touch panel. And it appears on the screen the page where we have to type in all the information we have got from the IT and the PACS administrator. Due to the time reason, I will shorten this a little bit and I will use some PACS information and worklist information which are already in the system. The first thing is we have to type in the TCP IP address of the ultrasound system. So we are using here the IP address, we're typing in the subnet mask and a default gateway if it is available. If not, this field can also be blank. After this, you press the Save button and the system will ask for a restart to store all the changes in the ultrasound system. I will not do a restart because due to the time reason, but you usually have to go to OK. I will go to the Cancel button. After we have done these changes, we go to the next step and we have to go to the devices. On the devices, there is now a list of different devices already which have the information in, but there is one button which is called My Computer, and this is also important because this includes the information of the AI title of an ultrasound system. After this, we go here usually to Add, and you add a name of a new device. I will use a device which are already in just to show you how it will look like. So you have here the naming, which is more for internal use. It's not so important if it's really exactly the same typing what it's requesting, but here the IP address must be correct. If you have here typed in all the information, you press the Save button again, and then with the ping, you just check if the information is correct. After you have the verification, the information is correct, you go to the service, and on the service, here you can select your service type to add. Therefore, you have here the kickdown menu, you press here Set, you select DICOM Image Store, and you press Add. Here we need the AI title of the PACS server and also the port number which we are using. If all the data are filled in, you press the Save button and then you verify if everything is correct. Now we have done the configuration for the PACS server. Now we have to do the same for the worklist. For the worklist server, we are going back to the device. Then we add a new one and we name it, for example, worklist, but I will again use one which is already in just to have the information already there. So we have here the naming of the worklist server and we have the IP address which you have to type in, and then you do the ping again. After this, you go to Service, you add here DICOM worklist, you have to type in here the AI title of the worklist server and the port number what have to be used. After this, you press the Save button and then you verify if the connection is correct, if the information is correct. Before we are now starting using the system, we are going here to Miscellaneous. On Miscellaneous, we can set up the system. Here, when we are pressing End Current Patient, or if we say New Patient, that it should automatically come up with the worklist screen, and here we press Save again. If you want to have some additional information, you can refer to the online user manual by pressing the F1 key on the alphanumeric keyboard. Thank you and goodbye.